Hey guys, in today's video we're doing a photography challenge, a film photographer versus a digital photographer.
How y'all doing? My name is Vuhlandes. I'm a 26-year-old photographer from Detroit, Michigan. Been doing photography about 7 years now. I use a Mamiya RB67. I've been shooting digital for like 6 years, and I'm not gonna say like I got bored of it or like it wasn't challenging, but like I got into a rhythm. I go out, shoot every single day. Everything was the same. My settings was the same. I could do shit. Can I cuss on this channel? I would do things the same exact way every single time, and it kind of just like wasn't challenging. And I feel like after I picked up a film camera, it got me into like kind of how I felt when I first started taking photos again, like actually having to compose. I started to like just enjoy the look of film overall more than digital too, so that's kind of what got me into it, and now that's all I shoot.
Wait, you said you love drama?
I love drama.
Let's go, let's start. Film versus digital, go. This video is just, we're gonna be fighting the whole time.
Are we about to throw hands?
About to throw hands? Guys.
Throw a pack of film at you?
Oh, that's a good one. I'll throw my memory card. Wait, do I have oh, there's no card in my camera. My bad.
Oh, you don't have one?
I have one, but I forgot to put it in my camera. Hey guys, Jessica here. So I'm primarily a digital photographer. I started photography with a digital camera, so that's really my strong suit. I've shot film before, but it's not really something I bring to photo shoots because it's a little bit trickier than shooting digital. Digital is definitely a lot easier in my opinion. Yesterday I went to record something and I didn't bring my memory card. I'm like, yeah, it'd be like that sometimes.
Yeah, they do.
My strategy today is to just take it slow, really think about the concept that I want, get a nice portrait, a nice waist-up shot, and a nice full body. So that's really the goal. We'll see what I come up with, because you know, when I start shooting, I get a little crazy and I forget everything that I planned, and then it's like a free-for-all. It's funny because I was preparing for this all yesterday and I'll still like forget something. It's just like a thing, you just have to forget something. Of course. Sometimes I'll purposely just like leave my battery there, like I'll be like, I need to forget it.
No, I need your checklist when I walk out. You got battery, you got memory. I just checklist.
There you go.
Can you checklist me next time? Can you call me and be like, Jessica?
I'm Bibi. I'm from Detroit, and I've been modeling since I was 15 years old, so a long time, a good amount of time. So I prefer film, I think, just because it's like, it's a more cathartic experience, in my opinion, but it also takes longer. As a model, it's more difficult because you have to just sit there and like, for a really long time and not move, where digital, you know, you can be a little bit more fluid with your motions and things. I think film will probably be a little bit more difficult because film tends to take a little bit longer, so like if you're a model and you're just sitting there for like a few seconds, it's a little difficult, but I'm sure it'll turn out beautiful.
All right, so the rules of the challenge, you have 5 minutes. Is that enough? Is that enough? If you need more time.
I might need like 20 minutes.
Really?
No,
okay. If you need more time, tell me. We'll allot you some more time because you're using film.
Okay.
That's a lot harder than what I'm doing. I'm just gonna be clicking away.
Nah, it's still hard.
So are you going first?
Nah, I wanna go second so I can steal.
Digital is going first. No shade or anything to film. We love film. Oh, look at that fit. Oh! He hates me. So the drama started. So I'm gonna switch lenses halfway through. Like I'll do it 2.5 minutes in, you can scream something and I'll switch it. Or if you're trying to sabotage, you won't say anything.
I'm not gonna say it.
Vuhlandes is gonna be like, I'll come back for it. I'll come back for it. It'll be there. It'll be there, right?
Maybe.
Okay, so the sun is right here. Yeah, let's do some right here. Yeah, stay in that pose. I love that. I feel like I'm gonna end up just staying in one spot the whole time, and I don't want that. Okay, let's have you like maybe walking here. Yeah, I'll get some shots of you walking. Don't move. It's so bright, it's hard for me to see the screen. Chin down a little. Oh God, I don't have time to, okay. The switching plan is over, okay. Let's do one kind of like your crowd. Maybe you could be sitting right here. Oh my God, this is so hard. I can't think of all these ideas at once. Okay. Yeah, stay right there. Oh, that's really pretty. Don't move. Stay right there.
I noticed that she's like actually taking her time though. Like regardless of it being digital still, like she's still taking her time. And I like that. Because with digital, you would tend to just be like, all right. Because when I was shooting digital, I didn't take my time at all. I was just take 100 shots right here in like 2 seconds, take 100 shots right here in like 2 seconds, and then pray one of these shots look good. So I noticed that she's actually like taking her time and framing these shots. I'm nervous, not really, but kinda, I guess.
How much time do I have? Oh God, okay. Yeah. Yeah, stay right there. I think my 5 minutes was really interesting. I feel like I could have done 500 things differently, but of course I just do it all the same as always. I tried to get as much variety as possible, some portraits, some full body. So I think we did pretty good overall. The bright sun made it so hard to see the back of the camera, but I mean, Vuhlandes can't see any pictures too. So I feel like we're even in that aspect. I couldn't see the back of the camera because it was so bright out. He can't see pictures because he's shooting in films. Just kind of variations of that, yeah. Move your hand.
I was just looking around and stuff, because you know, it's what you do when you go second. You have time to look around. I need to load this up. That's not gonna work in my favor though. I'm gonna like run out of shots and like, there's like 10 seconds left. I'm gonna be like, shit.
We'll give you some extra time, seriously, if you need.
My strategy for today is, I actually don't know. Usually when I shoot, I just show up, I look at things, and then I'm like, this looks good, stand here. I feel like we kind of like think about photos a lot more than we should. So like, I kind of just try to do things regularly and just let things happen naturally. So I don't really have a strategy right now, but hopefully I'll come up with one soon. So I don't even know how to use my cameras. There you go. There we go. We ready? Just, you can start the time, it's cool.
Okay, you ready?
All right.
Go.
All right, so first and foremost, just stand right here. I'm gonna take this shot right off the bat. Kind of step like in the light a little bit though, but like not too much. So like a few steps back, like take like 2 good steps back. Right there, yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3, perfect. And then stay just like that. I'm gonna get like a closer one. All right, 1, 2, 3, perfect. All right, here, come over here. I'm actually have you get on like top of this, and then I'm gonna shoot you from like this side. I think you can walk in like, over there. Yeah, and then like come to like this window thing right here. Hurry up, we're running out of time. This is my time on the line. But I've never shot like timed, maybe like against like sunlight or something like that, but I've never had to be like, you got 5 minutes, go take as many photos as you can. And it's a lot harder with film because like once you run out, you have to put another one in there. Luckily, I got a little bit faster at doing that over the years of like shooting it, but it's crazy. And then like, I don't know if that's like, oh, it's a lot of bugs over there. I don't know if it's okay to like put like both your elbows.
Which window?
The second one. Yeah, then like pull your hair forward so it like hangs over, like Rapunzel. Yeah, perfect. All right, 1, 2. I like film because like it has so much dynamic range, so like, I know like the shadows and the highlights will be cool. Here, come like right here. I'm gonna low-key have you like, kind of like sit on this tree. Yeah, that's good. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Cool. Step like in the sun more, so like here. Yep, perfect. Oh, halfway. This is like unfair too, because you're like a really good model, so like I don't even have to like really tell you what to do. Step like in the sun. To take pictures? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Huh? What kind of pictures? Just for fun? No. I'm just taking pictures of, huh? You need a permit. To even take pictures of just her? I'll be right back. Well, that's pretty silly in my opinion. So we were stopped and told we couldn't take pictures here because, you know, historic land apparently, and then the state of Michigan just bought this historic land apparently, so ever since then, you're not allowed to do photography here. It's kind of silly in my opinion. I guess I understand there's gonna be people like, oh, you need to respect the rules, blah, blah, blah. But like, come on, bro. Be Be real, let's be real. It's photos, it's photography, not hurting nobody. But I understand, but at the same time, we're gonna finish these last 2 shots though, so.
So Vuhlandes is having quite an adventure, I would say. On top of having to shoot and film, having a time limit, he was stopped by somebody who works at the park and was told he needs a permit to shoot here. So he's basically told to stop photographing. So he's dealing with all of that.
Here, come like, remember how I had you like put them like right there? Yeah, yep.
It's my favorite thing in the world to watch film photographers shoot, because it's so interesting to see how they set up their shot, how they, you know, place body parts and like arms and hands and everything, and then how they conceptualize the final frame. So I just love to see how they come up with their ideas, where they place the model.
Time. 1 minute, 20 seconds, I gotta reload my film. Gotta do it quick, in a hurry. Ah, I don't wanna litter either. So I gotta be conscious of. Ah. Whew. Good thing I do this like kind of fast now. Be the quickest you ever seen somebody load some film up. I'm taking it. Should be an Olympic sport at this point. All right, we're ready to go. 30 seconds. Hurry, hurry, hurry. BB. Let me get you right here. Ah. 1, 2, 3. All right, here, step further back in, like to the sunlight. 1, 2, 3. That's the last one. I got it. The 5 minutes went by a lot faster than I thought. It was like 2 minutes and like 30 seconds left, and I was on like the 7th picture, and I'm like, oh my God, this is flying by. It was very fun though. It was also challenging. The thing is, I like to be challenged when I go out and shoot. It was a different experience. I enjoyed it.
She was trying to kick you out.
She was.
Plot twist, I paid her to come, you know, just do all that. So to mess up your time.
Low key.
I'm just joking. Low key, she's gonna call me later and be like, it's done, Jessica. Can you Venmo me the money?
It worked.
It worked. I'm really excited to see how different our pictures are gonna be. They're definitely gonna be different. I shot in a totally different area.
I know, like I was like surprised you didn't use the house at all.
Me too.
I was like, I don't know, I feel like maybe that's a no-brainer. Low key is like interesting though, because like you would think like, oh, immediately like use the house, and you didn't at all. So that's kind of interesting that you didn't. I like that.
That's where I'm gonna go after this, the house. So I can get yelled at again.
For real though, maybe that's why. Maybe if we didn't go in the house, we would have been okay, but I don't know.
We would love to thank Vuhlandes for joining us in today's challenge.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, it was so much fun. And we're gonna have Vuhlandes' links in the description. You can go check him out. And we would love to thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and we'll see you guys in the next video.